In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create order bumps in Kartra. An order bump is a small, complementary offer that appears on your checkout page and can be added with a single click. Done right, it's one of the fastest ways to increase your average order value without adding friction. Start by opening your browser, searching for Kartra, clicking the official result, and logging into your account. Before you can add a bump to your checkout, the offer itself has to exist as a product in your account, so we'll create that first. From the left sidebar, click the sales icon, the one that looks like a shopping cart. In the Products area, click the plus product button in the top right corner. Give your product an internal name that's easy to recognize later, and choose the appropriate product type, either main product or upsell downsell, based on how you plan to report and organize it. Then click Create to launch the setup wizard. Work through the basic details. Add a clear product name, a concise description, and an image that visually reinforces the offer. Next, set your pricing. This is important. The order bump's price must be different from the main product's price. Keep it simple and compelling. Order bumps typically convert best when they're lower than the main offer and feel like an easy yes. When everything looks good, click Publish to save your product. Now attach that offer to your primary sales item. Go to Sales, then Products, find your main product, and click Edit. In the Setup Wizard, navigate to the Checkout tab. Scroll to the Bump Offers section and open the Product drop-down. Select the bump product you just created. This links the two so the bump appears on your main product's checkout page. Create a short, persuasive headline and a clear description. Focus on the immediate benefit and how it complements the main purchase. For example, highlight speed, convenience, or added value, and avoid jargon. Keep it skimmable, since customers will see it right as they're about to pay. Choose one of the 3 available design templates for the bump box. Pick the style that best matches your brand and keeps the checkout experience clean and trustworthy. Consistent colors and concise copy help maintain momentum at this stage. When you're satisfied, click Publish to finalize your changes. Your order bump is now live and connected to your checkout. With a clear headline, a distinct price, and a focused benefit, you'll give customers a simple way to upgrade their purchase, and you'll boost your revenue with minimal effort.